Ladies and gents, guess what I have here? Yes, remember I promised? Unboxing the monthly silver grade, not exactly silver, precious metal grade. Watch I think two previous videos back. Yeah, that doesn't sound right. The recent video, which I did on silver stacking, like $200 per month or whatever. So anyways, kind to the chase. Finally, it arrived, and I don't know what to expect. I'm going to show you exactly what's in it, and then let's take it from there, right? And yeah, I'm excited. This is probably what, my third one? The first one was very okay. Second one, I was like, wow, small piece of platinum. I was like, not bad. So this is a totally precious metal stuff, but mostly I believe it's silver, all right? Silver focused. So let's take it out. And I'm not here to shield the company, but later I'm gonna do another, like I said, let me get a few more and I'll see if it's worth it. I don't get anything paid, it's not sponsored. I just recently discovered, so I thought, let's actually do it, all right? You're like, yeah, man, shut up, bruh. Just show me what you got. Well, it's not me, it's just what's in the box. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, all right, we got this receipt here, which I'm gonna put it away. But just to show you, look at this. Look at this. Ooh. Ducky's excited. All right, all right, all right. All right, get ready. Let's put my hands in there. Hey, I see a Silverado. All right, so there you go. Okay, so there's a silver coin, which is announced. All right. Hey, this is the Pedo King. Come on, bruh. Why would he give me the Pedo King? Oh, dang. King Charles. Yeah. Anyway, someone says that. Why would he give the P King? Give the other stuff. And I was like, Pedo King? Look at this here. Charles 3. So this is what it looks like, basically. Yeah, you've seen this. The standard. Right? You know. Oh, well. You get the point. Whoa. Huh. Alright, so that's one. Alright. Second one, of course, they have like multiple same stuff. Bro, why do you give me the same Peking? Oh, this is not Peking. This is the Troy, half Troy ounce. This is the second time they're giving me the same thing. Alright? It's a mixed grade, but you end up getting this or that. Oh, wow. Yeah. King. You just ruined my camera again. King. Alright, there you go. Look at this. So this is the half Troy. Yeah, this is one of the most imperfect unboxing. You know, I've done more than 3,000 plus unboxing products. This is probably the most unprofessional one. Anyways. Hey, what is this? Okay, they're giving me again the second time. This is interesting. But however, I'm cool with it though, you know? Because if I had to pick, I would pick all the silver stacks or whatever. Now, I don't know what to expect. And it's kind of random. This is the Liberty. Wait, probably can't see it. It's all right. Yeah, look at that. Too much lightning here, man. I'll probably have to fix the camera. But yeah, nothing really special. This is just a really hollow. I'm gonna keep this on the side. The half Troy ounce, and I'm gonna put everything on the side after a bit. There's got a few other things. Okay, let's just see. Hey, wait. I see a little bit of gold coin. Hey, a gram of gold. What is this? Okay, yeah, so 1 fine gram of gold. I was like, yeah, you see this here? Tiny? So that's a gram of gold, tiny gram of gold. Sometimes they send you platinum, sometimes gold, maybe silver. I don't know. But okay, interesting. Tiny! Oh, shiny! Tiny but shiny. Tiny but shiny. Hey, I gotta trademark that word. Alright. What else do we have here? Oh, whoa. What just popped out? Wait, did a silver pop out? No, let me have it here. Alright, so we have another King Charles, Mr. P. Charles. Okay, there we go, right? Same thing. So we have 2 of these. We have 1 of these mini-me's. Oh, we have a 1 mini-me. 1/10 of Troy ounce, silver. Alright? See, if I had to pick and bought individually, I don't think I would have bought like 1/10 or tiny amounts. Just saying. I would rather pick up big sum. So this is like a totally mystery box. Let's see how far I continue. All right. This is probably what, third? And do I have anything else? Oh man. Hello. Come on. No. Dang, bro. Dang. Seriously? Yo. No, there's nothing else. Be good. I'm just gonna put this box away. All right, ladies and gents. Before I end. Oh, whoa! Look at all this white stuff, man. It makes it look nasty, right? Yeah, I know. It's all good. All right, let's keep it professional now. All right. By the way, don't come robbing. All right, don't come robbing my silvers. All right, let's go. So here, 1 king. This is the ounce, 2 ounces, right? Then we have this, half troy ounce. Then we have this, which is also, where is this? I guess this is the same thing. No, this is less than a half troy ounce. And then we have this mini, and I don't know how they do the valuation, on what basis, right? Like, this is $200 worth. With shipping, I guess, whatever. This is $200 actually. No, without shipping. This is $200. And also, look at this. 1 gram of gold right here. Let's not forget the gold here, all right? Because that takes some weight. So if you look, now this is the question for you, the public, whoever, precious metal stackers. What do you think about this deal? Okay, so what I have here, right here, straight. What do you think about this deal for like $200? As of now, latest rate. With whatever premium, whatever. I'm just curious, I'm just a noob. So curious, what's your take on this? Do you think this is like worth it? I mean, of course, for me, I totally understand the fiat value versus this. But in the long term, like if you look at it, am I getting ripped off? Or what's the deal? I mean, I don't mind. The collection seems very decent. Of course, it would be awesome to get something unique, not always the same stuff. Like, yeah, the same king and whatever. But let's see how far it goes, because it's got started, right? So, ladies and gents, this is my tiny precious metal collection. Yeah, just getting started. What's your take on this? And let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. All right? All right, peace. Peace for now.